Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Thompson 253 Hotel, engine failure. We are continuing with northwesterly and then inbound towards Wallasey.
Thompson 263 Hotel, roger. All runways available for landing, surface wind 070 degrees at 5 knots.
Manchester, Mayday 263 Hotel.
Mayday 263 Hotel, all runways available. Advise me if you wish vectors or continue visually for 06 left or right, surface wind 060 degrees at 5.
3 via Yankee 1 into runway 06 right.
Top 3, Yankee 1 into 6 right.
Man 53, he's entering 06 right.
Man 53, yes you can enter runway 06 right now. 1200. Thompson 263 Hotel, roger. Left turn there and then you can stop wherever you wish and the fire vehicles will approach your aircraft.